Beautiful day, innit? Yeah. Oh. I've actually got no bolt holding my brake in right now. Well, no, sorry, a nut holding my... So I've got the bolt going through, but no nut. Brakes work fine. I basically fitted my shorty levers I've got, and it fucked up my brake. Like, I tried going half hour down the street, and my front brake locked up. Lucky enough, I was going very slowly. The bike started to jutter. I come to a stop in the middle of the street, mind, and that was it. I couldn't move, so I'm heading down to... I can't remember the shop. Basically sells tools and shit, and I'm just gonna... I brought the socket set with me. I'm gonna take out the bolt and be like, I need a bolt that's gonna fit this, because it is the hottest day of the year. It's gonna get up to like 20 degrees. It's fucking beautiful, but I need to go do this. So we'll roll the intro, and by the end of the intro, this bike will be fixed. So I'll see you in a bizzle. Oh, fucking phone. Where is my phone? I put it in that pocket. And I fucking have a front brake again. That guy just gave me a free bolt. I was expecting it to be at least £3. 19p. I pissed myself. I was like, fuck, I don't even have the change for that. I'm gonna have to put it on card. He's like, ah, don't worry about it. So I just got a free bolt. Makes me very happy. I am roasting. It is boiling. Ah. And he gets, I don't know what this GoPro can see. It probably can see the bloody phone. I needed to get out in the sun. And I just tried to scrape some. That's light. That's just, yeah. I'm jittery. Oh, I'm in the wrong lane. We're going this way now. Yeah, I'm jittery as fuck right now because I drank a whole bottle of Monster. Then I had the whole brake situation, and I'm just like, I need to go. Woo! So I haven't had a Monster in probably like 2 years. So I'm buzzing off my tits right now. But vlog. What vlog am I doing today? Well, I'm doing a few, but this one is... I'm gonna be I'm gonna be all over the shot. That old man liked the Ducati. So yeah, I need your help, guys. I need your help. I want to buy Daisy back. And if you don't know who Daisy is, or yeah, it still is, or was, my KTM Duke 125, and I sold it to buy my R3, and I want it back. That guy's staring at me, so I'm going to stare at him. It's a taxi driver. We're going to have a random stare off, mate. He's still staring. He's still staring. I use the Grom at the moment as my like commuter bike, plays and bowls, to get home and work and home and that kind of shiznay. So it's fine, like, it does the job perfectly and I love it to bits, but if I'm just using it as a commuter bike and this is like my weekend fun bike, then I can't... Hi! I don't know what I'm doing. I'm now going this way. Yeah, I kind of want the Duke as my commuter bike, so I need to find it, or her. And it's quite tricky because I deleted the guy's number that I sold it to. I have no contact details of his, like, I have no idea. All I know, Popo, is he was a para based in Warminster, I believe. That's what he said. He said he was taking it back to Warminster. I know it's only done 100 miles since I sold it in 2016. Well, the start of 2017, sorry. It's failed its MOT March 2018, and then they redid it again, and it passed. I'll put all the stuff I know down in the description, so it's exact, because my memory's shit. I'm Still buzzing off the monster. They're gonna go? Yep, they're gonna go. Sweet. Right, what are you doing? You gonna go forward? Yep. It'd be nice if we could go somewhere. I'm gonna go this way. So yeah, I really don't know. I've never seen it before, but it's quite a standout KTM. I don't know what it looks like now, but when I sold it, it had an IXIL exhaust, the twin Hyperlow one. Looks bloody lush. I'm sure you know if you've seen my old videos. Had beautiful rim tape, bar end mirrors, a very standout radiator cover. Like it had KTM Duke on it, bright orange and chrome and shit. So if anyone's ever seen it or knows the guy or anything like that, you get in contact with me. Let me know where it's based or anything like that, because I'll pay good money to have it back. I will pay more than what it's worth, I guarantee that. I could, ooh, hi-oh. Because it means a lot to me, that bike. It was the first proper bike I ever had, and yeah, I've got a strong connection to it. It might have not been the best bike in the world, but I love it to bits. So I need your help, guys. I need your help to buy that bike back. And that's all this video is. I'm just getting it out there that I want to find this bike, and the best way to do that was talk to you guys, because there's 5,000 of you fuckers. Hopefully one of you knows where it is, because I want it. But that's that. I'm gonna now enjoy the weather. I'm gonna make a few more videos on the Ducati. I was gonna take the Grom out, but nah, when I've just got this big boost, we're gonna go take the Ducati out, and I can slowly feel the monster hitting my brain and just making it go crazy. Like, I've got so much fucking energy. I'm just loving life. So I'm gonna go enjoy myself, enjoy the weather. So I probably need fuel. I don't know. I'll go get some fuel. I'll see you guys in a bit. Keep an eye out for that Duke, my KTM Duke 125, and I will see you in a bizzle. Peace, dudes.
Started over in Georgia, pulled it up the back, McGeady off the left, and that's where it began. Stepping against Gibraltar, the Germans next in store. That's when John O'Shea became a god forevermore. Slipped up against the Scots, the lads kept the head. With Germany coming over to pour hopes today. Well, no one gave us a chance, they said that we'd be fed. So Randolph knocked it up and train like stuck it in the net. Singing, stand, bird up, in green. Lay your lady and a chance to dream. We're heading to the Euros, we're taking over. We won't get hard, but we'll take a second chance.